Lesson 3 Saying where you're from. Japanese theme is ベトナムから来ました。I'm from Vietnam. First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
タムさん、たくさん食べてね。
はい。タムです。ベトナムから来ました。ミーヤです。中国からです。写真家です。
僕はカイト、学生です。
私、大家の春です。春さんは何でも知っています。そうですか。よろしくお願いします。
Next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
タムさん、たくさん食べてね。
はい。タムです。ベトナムから来ました。ミーヤです。中国からです。写真家です。
僕はカイト、学生です。
私、大家の春です。春さんは何でも知っています。そうですか。よろしくお願いします。
Okay then, let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Okay, please repeat after me. The first word is たくさん. Next word is 食べる. For example, たくさん食べてね. This sentence means please eat a lot. たくさん食べてね. Another example sentence is here. たくさん飲んでね. Please drink a lot. And another example sentence is here. たくさん遊んでね. Please play a lot. That's it. So let's check the next word. はい. And next word. ベトナム. So Vietnam is a kind of Japanese English. This word comes from Vietnam because Japanese word doesn't have R and V's pronunciation. That's why we just say like Vietnam like that. Okay, so let's check the next word. 来る. And next word. 中国. For example, here. 中国から来ました. This sentence means I came from China. I came from China. And you also can say like that. 中国からです. This sentence means I'm from China. So you can use both expressions. Okay, so next word. 写真家. 僕. For example, 私は写真家です. This sentence means I'm a photographer. 私は写真家です. And next word, 学生. 学生 means student. For example, 僕は学生です. I'm a student. 僕は学生です. Another example sentence is here. 僕は会社員です. I'm a company employee. And another example sentence is here. 僕は看護師です. I'm a nurse. Actually, this word is a little bit weird because, this word, 僕, only men use this word. And this word, 私, men and women can use this word. So that's why, as for the sentence I mentioned earlier, this is better than that. Please repeat after me. 私は看護師です. I'm a nurse. Okay, so let's move on. Let's check the material again. The next word is 私. Watakushi means I, and then that's a polite expression. And the next word is oya. Oya is a landlord or landlady. For example, 私は大家です。Okay, please repeat after me. 私は大家です。This sentence means I'm a landlord or I'm a landlady. Okay, so let's check the next one. 何でも知っている。For example, 彼女。彼女は何でも知っています。This sentence means she knows everything. So 彼女 means she. As for he, you can say 彼。彼は何でも知っています。He knows everything. Okay, so next word. そうですか。I see. For example, 彼は何でも知っています。And then you can say here, そうですか. I see. Okay, like that. Okay, then next word. よろしくお願いします. This sentence means nice to meet you. For example, 私は太郎です. よろしくお願いします. So when you introduce yourself, you can use this phrase. 私は太郎です. よろしくお願いします. My name is Taro. It's nice to meet you. Like that. That's the vocabularies. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. In this section, let's practice to read whole sentences together. Please repeat after me. タムさん、たくさん食べてね。はい。タムです。ベトナムから来ました。ミーヤーです。中国からです。写真家です。僕はカイト、学生です。私、大家の春です。春さんは何でも知っています。そうですか。よろしくお願いします。Okay, that's it. So, let's move on to the key phrase section. This key phrase is about saying where you're from. Example sentences. ベトナムから来ました. It means I came from Vietnam. Let's check the explanation. To say where you're from, use place から来ました. Kara is a particle that indicates the starting point or place of origin. Kimashita is the past tense of the verb 来る or to come. You can replace this with です and say ベトナムからです or I'm from Vietnam. Okay. Asking where someone is from, say どちらからですか or where are you from. どちら is an interrogative meaning where that is more polite than どこ. For example, どちらからですか Where are you from? And you can answer, for example, 日本から来ました. I came from Japan. Or, like that. 日本からです. I'm from Japan. Okay, another example sentence is here. アメリカから来ました. I came from United States of America. アメリカから来ました. Or you can say like that. アメリカからです. I'm from the United States. That's it. So you can express where are you from, where you're from. Okay, so let's read a short dialogue which include a key phrase we studied. Please repeat after me. どちらからですか? アメリカから来ました。So, どちらからですか means where from. And he answered, アメリカから来ました。The grammar is just a place から来ました。So, you can say, アメリカから来ました。That's it. So, next time, please try to translate 3 sentences into Japanese. The first question is, I came from Thailand. Thailand is Thai in Japanese. So, at a time, the grammar is place から来ました。So, here, タイから来ました is the answer. Actually, I'm from Thailand. That's a little bit wrong translation. This is like タイからです because 来ました means came. So, タイから来ました is I came from Thailand. That's the difference. Okay, so let's check the next one. I came from Brazil. And we say ブラジル in Japanese. So as you know, grammar is place から来ました。And in this case, place is ブラジル。So answer is here. ブラジルから来ました。That's it. You also can say just I'm from Brazil or ブラジルからです。Both expressions are correct. Okay then, so let's check the last question. I came from Russia, and we say ロシア in Japanese. So, answer is here. ロシアから来ました。And as you know, you also can say I'm from Russia. ロシアからです。It's also okay. That's it. That's the tried out section. So, let's check the bonus phrase. Please repeat after me. そうですか。そうですか is a response that acknowledges you understand what the person you are talking to has said. Be sure not to raise your intonation at the end of the sentence. So you can say そうですか. That's it. So Japanese pronunciation is very flat. So you can say そうですか. Okay, so let's check the triptych. Let's begin.
Restaurants in Japan hand you an oshibori without waiting to be asked. It's a wet towel to wipe your hands before meals, and it's free. In summer, the oshibori might be cold, and in winter, it's likely to be hot. And if you want another one, just ask.
So here in Japan, most of the restaurants, oshibori and water and green tea is for free. So you can ask the clerk like that. すみません。おしぼりください. This sentence means, excuse me, please give me a おしぼり. Okay. So おしぼり is a kind of hand towel. So we use it before eating the meal. Okay. Another example sentence is here. すみません。お水ください. Excuse me, please give me a water. すみません。お水ください. And one more example sentence. すみません。お茶ください. Excuse me, please give me a green tea. Yeah, like that. You can use these 3 sentences in the Japanese restaurant. Okay, so lastly, let's quick review the skit with no subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story by Japanese. Let's begin.
タムさん、たくさん食べてね。
はい。タムです。ベトナムから来ました。ミーヤです。中国からです。写真家です。
僕はカイト、学生です。
私、大家の春です。春さんは何でも知っています。そうですか。よろしくお願いします。
Okay, did you understand the skit? That's the end of the lesson 3, saying where you're from. I hope you learned something new from this lesson. Thank you for watching.